Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable HP ePrint feature on this device. HP ePrint feature is a part of your web services of this device. So firstly, you need to enable web services of this device. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch our video about how to enable web services on HP Color LaserJet Pro device. So when you will enable it, just open the control panel and click on ePrint button. Then just click turn on and great! HP ePrint feature was successfully enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.